Abesekararamaya sits along Pansala in Negombo, a quiet haven where the busy world pauses and listening begins. Its weathered walls cradle stories of welcome, resilience, and shared meals, while the sea breeze carries the soft echoes of prayers, laughter, and the salt air that tangos with the temple's incense. Here, strangers become neighbors and neighbors become witnesses to one another's days. Children's chalk-drawn doodles on sun-warmed steps, an elder's patient recounting of old days, a fisherman mending nets beneath a palm canopy that rustles like a quiet chorus. The temple gates are never closed to the road's noise, but within their hinges lies a slower tempo, footsteps slow to a meditative pace, breath easing into the rhythm of a gentle bell, and the steady murmur of conversations that rise and fall like tides. As the sun climbs and then sinks, the temple becomes a crossroads where fear is named and then softened by care. Volunteers offer cups of tea that steam in the cool, clean air, and a child's question about a mural blossoms into a shared lesson about courage, patience, and the value of listening. Visitors trace the stone with their fingers, tracing memories of someone who might have come here in sorrow and found a thread of hope instead. The sea's distant roar mingles with the soft clang of utensils from a family meal in the courtyard, creating a soundscape that feels like a lullaby for the day's weariness. Even as the town beyond the walls sways with change, the temple remains a constant, a patient keeper of memory and a living classroom of empathy. Murals tell of storms weathered and strangers welcomed. Candles glow like small suns in the dusk, offering warmth to anyone who walks the path. The monks move through the halls with quiet purpose, their steps a metronome for patience. Laypeople and travelers share quiet corners, each person's small story weaving into a larger tapestry of community. And when night draws its velvet curtain, the temple glows not with conquest but with a promise, to be a place where you can lay down your burdens, listen to the road you've traveled, and rise again with a clearer heart.